In what would explain some of the reason why Giga Texas paused its Model Y assembly line, Tesla has just introduced the rear-wheel drive Model Y in the USA. This new model replaces the outgoing 4680 battery-based dual-motor all-wheel drive Model Y. The new version would be a little bit slower with a single motor, and it'll have a little less range than its predecessor, but it comes at a massive cost savings. With an estimated price of $32,890 after savings, this new Model Y would be $3,750 less than the dual motor variant, which is a huge difference if the 19 miles of extra range is of no real concern. It is likely the new Model Y will come with LFP batteries, which explains the motivation of the discontinued dual motor version being the repurposing of the 4680 battery production capacity to the Cybertruck. This may bode well for a quick ramp of the Cybertruck, considering, as the limiting factor posted on X today, that the Cato Road facility that was just shut down is probably being refit for Cybercell production. With a goal of 1.8 million cars being produced for 2023, Tesla's going to need a lot more volume, especially if it isn't carrying over much inventory. After missing production numbers this past quarter, it means Q4 must see at least 450,000 cars manufactured. Seems doable, especially if you can add in some Cybertruck numbers into that figure, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see closer to 500,000 total cars made by year end. The new Model Y has the shortest range in the Tesla fleet, but with affordability being of the utmost concern to Elon, I think you'll see more trade-offs like this happen, essentially doing anything to bring down costs in hopes of increasing volume. We know some of the factors are not running to their potential, and solving that problem will help with profitability and margins. So if you're on the fence about buying a Model Y, maybe this version pushes you over the edge.